Подбородочек грудной клетки ставится на 7-й шейный, пальцы вот и с протяжкой пробивается. Вдох делаем глубокий, задерживаем. Плечи опустили.
Next up, we have Dr. Scott Mitchell and Dr. Matt Delgado.
Cool. And what we noticed was there was a lot of right-sided stuff going on. And it all starts from down here. When I take the leg length out, we see, oh, I'm sorry, the leg slack out, we see the right leg is slightly shorter than the left. And as I come up, they get perfectly even. The thing, if I go like this, does that cause any tension in the low back, or does that feel okay?
A little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit. Is it kind of like right inside here?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is a little bit more difficult to notice, but can you feel that your right heel goes closer to your butt than your left?
Actually, yes.
Yeah. Just the move is that it's supposed to rock back and forth like this. What we have going on is that right hip is rocked backwards, causing this leg to come up. And when this leg comes up, it creates rotation in the sacrum. And then, there you go, you can rest your head right there. Yeah, no, we got some hair, girl. You can rest right there. Sweet, and I want you to bend the top one, straighten the bottom. And you kind of come around this way.
This is where I hug myself.
This way you give yourself a nice big hug, because you love yourself, right? It's right in here. I'm just gonna kind of contact that and rock it down. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, relax that low back.
I'm trying. Lift.
Beautiful. Not bad, right?
Oh, it's so like, my whole body feels so tight today.
Mhm.
That feels better, but yeah, like.
Which is gonna be on this side. So I'll have you bend the top leg again. Nice, yeah, just like that. I'll steal this arm from you just a little bit. There we go, nice big hug. Cool. Just like this. Nice, you're gonna relax that. Perfect. Wow. It's been a little while, huh? How did that feel?
It felt like when you're eating chicken wings and you break those little tiny bones apart.
So luckily we didn't break any bones though, right?
But it felt like that sounds.
Yes. Let's have you go face down again. We'll see the change that we made. On here. Yep, you can't make that up. Perfectly even. Staying even. Does that even feel a little bit smoother?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, much better. So let us know that the pelvis is level.
Awesome.
Good. So if the organs are working better, it means we have less stress on our body. Mm-hmm. If we have less stress on our body, we can feel less anxious and less depressed too.
Yay.
Yay. So let's see. Now I can start to work my way up. Nice. Yeah, so today, let's see. Yeah, so right inside here, we got the bone right there rocked over to the side. Actually, your head, I'm just gonna kind of bring it over like this.
Okay.
Nice, good.
We're not gonna snap it, right?
No, just right over here, good. Beautiful.
You tricked me.
But how'd that feel?
It felt good.
Yeah, right? See?
Yeah.
And that's the thing, is when you're nice and gentle at the right area, it just moves perfectly. Nice, and then right inside here. Let me have you turned over so you're face up, please.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, we are Rapunzel right now. Here we go.
It's everywhere.
Look at this. Cool, and this is kind of right in the center of her back. So basically, when you are a little bit more hunched over, that area can start to push back. It's called T6. And when T6 pushes back, it doesn't allow the rib cage to expand and contract as effectively, which means less oxygen to your body, which means less oxygen to your brain, which can lead to a lot of anxiety or depression or just different things like that. You go right here. Yeah, good. Nice. Breath in. And then all the way out. Amazing. Good. There we go.
I love that.
Yes. Best hugs in Texas?
Yes.
Nice. And actually open up your arms nice and wide too. It feels really good after that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like you can breathe better.
Yeah. I feel like a cloud.
Feel like a cloud? Come over here to Electric Chiropractic. So put your hands on your stomach for me. You can stay right there. Because I'm just going to feel some different areas in your neck just to see what's going on. And more so on our right side. It's been acting a little funky. And one of the things we notice is right here, C2 is pushed over to the side on the right. Have you been getting a lot of headaches lately too, or not?
Yeah, actually I have.
So there's an area right there that we need to be able to put back in place, but let me have you sit up and face the doorway for me.
Okay.
Just want to check it like that, just to double check.
Face the doorway.
Yes, just like that. And you can leave your hair, I can just move it around, so that's good. Yeah, so definitely right inside there. Right there. And I just find that sweet spot, and then all it would be was like a little pull, like that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's totally up to you.
I'm too nervous.
No, that's
try
totally
it.
fine, that's totally fine. We got this cool little tool right here. It's called a TRT, or